Hi. So I want to discuss the final year assessment PT3 in this video. I will send this video into the Google Classroom together with the question paper. So what you need to do is you can go and print out the paper, and then when you watch the video, you can answer the question at the same time. If you cannot print out, you also can copy down into your exercise book. So I will give time for you all to complete all the question, and then you need to submit in the Google Classroom also before this Friday, 4th of December. Okay, so tomorrow for your class on Monday, there is 8:30 to 9:30 to 11. So you will just refer to the Google Classroom and do your work or complete your work during that time. Okay, so I will discuss section B and section C in this video. So I hope you can refer to the question paper and try to complete the exercise at the same time, because I think it is better to do this way so that you can see clearly. Okay, so look at first question. Okay, section B, 20 marks. You need to answer all questions in this section B. Okay, look at question number 21A. In diagram 10, fill in each circle with the correct number to show the value in the square. Okay, so you need to find the value here. Okay, so given the value here is 507. Okay, so what is the value that minus 235 equals to 507? Meaning what you do is you just take 507 plus 235. So actually the maths sentence is like this, or mathematics statement for this one is this circle minus 235 equals 507. So you want to find this circle, meaning you need to bring this one to this side. So minus will become plus. So you plus, you will get is 742. Okay, so the answer in this circle is 742. Okay, and you do the same thing for this side. So 329 plus a circle equals to 507. So you want to find this circle. So this circle is equals to 509. This one is positive, so minus 329. So you will get the answer is 178. So you write down here 178. Okay, so this one is 3 mark. Actually, they will give mark on the answer only. The answer written inside the circle only. Okay, and then this one is divide. So meaning the circle divide 3 equals to 507. Then this circle, this one is divide, and once you transfer here, it become multiply. Okay, or you can write this way, 3 equals to 507. Thus you get circle equals to 507 times 3. So you will get the answer is 1521. So write down the answer inside the circle, 1521. Okay. Okay, so you get the answer all. Number 1 is 742, part 2 is 178, and part 3 is 1521. Okay, part B. Okay, diagram 11. AHG is a straight line. So this one is a straight line. Remember, the total angle for the straight line is 180 degrees. Okay. So which line is perpendicular to line AHG? Perpendicular means right angle, 90 degrees. Okay, so you calculate, okay, let's say 46 plus 21 plus 23 equals to what? Okay, so this one we get 90. Okay, 44, here 44, 46, so it's 90. So meaning the one that is 90 degrees to the AHG is line HD. Okay, so which line? Meaning you just tick. Okay, meaning that HD, the answer. For number 22, okay, A, write true or false for the given statement. 196 equals to square root of 196 times, okay, here. So it is true or not? So 196 equals to, meaning 196 square, okay, or equals to 196 to the power half times 2. So of course it become 1, okay, it become 196 here. Okay, this is index, law of indices. So this one you get true. Okay, you just write down the word true here. And then this one is negative, root 3. If the root here is the odd number and inside is negative, the answer must have negative, of course. Okay, so from here you don't have negative, meaning this one is false. Okay, so we can get the answer straight away and no need to use calculator. Also, we know the answer. Okay, B, circle the perfect cubes. Okay, so the perfect cubes means okay, so perfect cube means can be written as 22b, okay, 22b, so perfect cube we have 1, 8. Okay, say the answer. Okay, so because 1 can be written as 1 to the power 3, 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. The rest all cannot. This one meaning the perfect cubes. Cube means to the power 3. Okay. Number 23. Okay, diagram 12 shows angle on the circle and O is the center of circle. Mark tick for the correct property of angle in the circle and cross for incorrect one. Okay, so we have the first one A. Okay, this is central angle. This is angle of circumference. Okay, as you know that this one coming from the same arc. If same arc, the angle of circumference is equals to central angle divided by 2. But here cannot. Okay, this angle should be 240. Okay, if this one is central angle. So this one is wrong. Okay, we just cross. Okay, B. Okay, that's the angle of circumference coming from the same arc. So they should have same angle or same value of angle. So this one is correct. Okay, and this one you can see this is a exterior angle. Okay, so exterior angle is equals to the opposite to the interior angle. This is the corresponding interior angle for 115 here. So it's opposite to that. It's 115. So this one is correct. Okay, so D. Okay, this is a tangent. Tangent between chord. Angle between tangent and chord. So this is the chord. So the angle here should be equals to this angle. So meaning angle here should be 75. Here should be 75. Okay, and then this angle is equals to here. This should be 65. Okay, so meaning it's wrong already. So this one is wrong. So you must remember all the properties of angles of tangent. Okay, number 24. In diagram 13, PQRST is a straight line. QRUV is parallelogram and RU is parallel to SW. RU parallel to SW here. There's two parallel. Okay, given also QRUV is parallelogram. Okay, so meaning also parallel to this one. And this one parallel to this one. Okay. Okay, based on diagram 13, write the values of x and y. Okay, so the values of x and y, so we get x equals to because of this one, same side, same side, meaning angle here all same. So here x, here also x. So the total angle inside is 180. Thus we get x. Okay, can get x equals to 180 divided by 3. So you will get 60. Okay, here is 60. Okay, and then what is the value of y? If here is x, here also x because parallel line. Okay, so y is the supplementary angle when x, thus we get y equals to 180 minus 60. So we get 120. So here is 120. Okay. Okay, part B, match the linear equation with their solution. Mean you need to solve the linear equation. So from here is 4x equals 5, positive 5 here. You transfer to here. So 3 minus 5. So meaning 4x equals to negative 2. Thus x is negative 2 divided by 4. So negative half. So which one is the answer? So use ruler and then you can draw the line to join. Okay, gunakan ruler untuk join. Okay, so you can use ruler and then join. Okay, match. And then here 3 over x equals to 2 plus 7, negative, bring here. So 3 over x equals to 9. So how we get x? You can cross multiply. So you get x equals to 3 over 9. 3 over 9 means 1 over 3. Okay. So you will get the answer is 1 over 3. So use ruler and then join to 1 over 3. Okay. So you get the answer. Okay, number 25. Diagram 14 shows circle with center O filled with the blank using the given word. Okay, now name all the terms that you need to know. So for number 1, what is this line? Okay, so that line, it cut at 2 points at the circle. If 1 point, we call it tangent. Okay, this one 2 points, so we call it chord. Okay, so this one is chord. Okay, and then the second one is quadrant. Okay, we call it quadrant. Angle 90 degrees, 1 over 4. Okay, so we call it quadrant. And then 3 we call it this we have divided this circle to two parts. This one is the small part, so we call it minor segment, bahagian yang kecil. Kalau bahagian yang besar ni, ini major major segment. Ini yang kecil, so is minor segment. Okay, bahagian B. Okay, B part Diagram shows a combined shape. Okay, complete the following statement. Okay, so the shape is combination of what? So you can see there's a shape of what here? Okay, it's a pyramid and the bottom part. Okay, pyramid and cuboid. Okay, because no mention same length here. So pyramid and cuboid. If same length all, you can write as cube. Okay, so that one is for number 25A. Okay, now we go to section C. Okay, for section C, 60 marks. You need to answer all questions. So the 6A, diagram 16 shows a few fractional numbers. State the smallest fraction and the largest fraction. Okay. Okay, normally if you compare a fraction, we always look at the number at the bottom part. So we can see the smallest fraction is the one with the negative 1/7. Okay, it should be negative. The value is the smallest. So 1 divided by 7, we get the very small value. But here, wait, negative value. Sorry, negative value. So, sorry, negative value. The answer should be 1/5. Sorry. Okay. Because 1/5 we get a bigger value, but bigger value in negative actually is the smallest one. So it's negative 1/5. Okay, now the biggest fraction is the smallest, at the number at the bottom part is the smallest one. So we have 1/3. Okay, so we have negative 1/5 and 1/3. Okay, so you can write down the answer there. Okay, B part 2, diagram 17 shows a number line, negative 2.4p, here is negative 1.2, and then q here. Okay, state the value of p and q. So we want to find the difference between each segment. So the difference between each segment, we can refer to these two numbers. There are two segments here. Okay, so what we do, we just add that two number. So it becomes negative 1.2. So here is also negative. So negative 0.4 divided by 2. So we get negative 1.6 divided by 2. Sorry, it's negative. Here got negative. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you have negative 0.8. I write again. There's a mistake here. Sorry, the biggest value minus the smallest value, negative value. Okay, so you have negative 0.4 minus negative 1.2, so divide by 2. Okay, so you get is negative 0.4 plus 1.2, divide by 2. 1.2. Okay, so you get is 0.8 divided by 2. So you get 0.4. So meaning here is 0.4, here is 0.4. Okay. So one segment is 0.4. So you get P equals to, so P equals to negative 2.4 plus 0.4. Okay, and here also is 0.8 minus 0.4. So you get is negative 2.4 plus 0.4. So that one should be negative 2.0 lah, or negative 2. And then Q equals to 0.8 minus 0.4. You get 0.4. Okay, that's it. Okay, part B. Okay, so in diagram 18, answer space, incomplete polygon with 7 sides. Draw the polygon, name the polygon, state the number of diagonals. Okay. So you need to measure all the angle. Okay, this one just a sketch. Draw polygon, 1 mark. Okay, 7 side, 7 side. So meaning you draw 7 side. Okay, so you draw the length should be the same lah. Okay, okay, here only 1 mark, meaning you just sketch. Okay, so make sure this one all same length. Okay, this one is 7 side. Okay, so what is the name given for this one? For 7 is heptagon. Heptagon. Okay, so the number of diagonals, we have the formula. Number of diagonals equals to n minus 3 divided by 2. This is the formula to find the diagonal line. So n here is 7. N is 7 heptagon. So 7 minus 3 divided by 2. So you get 7 times 4 divided by 2. So meaning 28 divided by 2, you get 14. Okay, so there are 14 diagonal line. Okay, for ini this one you kena tahu formula. Mungkin dalam list ada, boleh check. Okay, bahagian C. Diagram 19 shows sales in RM or coupons sold by a group of 30 students. Okay, on canteen day. Okay, based on the data in diagram 19, complete table 1 in the answer space. Okay, based on this one. So you must complete this table. Okay, and then a mysterious prize will be given to the student who sold more than 79. What is percentage of student who got the mysterious prize? Okay, you need to count here. Okay, so here is, you count 30 and 39. Between 30 and 39, you can cross the number. You just count one by one. So you should know this one, 30, 39 got 1. 40 to 49, so you can count from here. Okay, so 40, 49, we get 4. This one you count yourself, because I want to save time. So here got 9, 8, here 9, and then 5, 3. Okay, so go and do yourself. Okay, and then part 2, we want to find a percentage. So number of students equals to 3. Okay, who score more than 79. More than 79 meaning this one 3. So 3. So the percentage equals to berapa persen? Percentage equals to, so percentage is 3 over, so you need to total up all this one. So how many student here? We can get from here actually is 30 student. Ada 30. So it's 3 over 30 times 100%. So we get is 10%. So 10% of the students score 79 marks. Above 79 marks. Okay, number 27. Okay, diagrams 20 shows two types of transformation A and B. Name the transformation A and B. State two characteristics of the congruent object. So you can look at A here. Here is facing each other like this. So this one will be reflection. Okay, and then for transformation B, that one will be translation, meaning at certain value. So this one translation. Okay, and then for part 2, okay, congruent. Congruent means the shape must be the same. Shape dia mesti sama. Shapes ataupun kita kata is same ataupun same shape pun boleh, and then the size also same ataupun dimension all same. Dimension or size. Okay, semua length dia sama, itu maksudnya congruent. Okay, bahagian B, Fatihah deposit 50,000 account for 2 years. Here got the time given, 2 years, and then the rate is 4% per year, compounded 4 months, every 4 months, once in 4 months. Calculate matured value. Okay, so you must know the formula. This is compound interest. So the matured value M equals to P 1 plus R over N T. Okay, ini formula dia. So the principal is the value that initially deposit. Okay, so it's 15,000. 1 plus rate is 4%. 4% means 0.04. Divide by compounded form every 4 months. 4 months means 3 times a year. So N equals to 3. And then here 3, how many years? 2 years. Okay, so you just calculate by using your calculator. You will get Ringgit Malaysia 16,240.72 cents. Okay, so you can try to calculate first, and then you can refer the answer whether you can get or not. Okay, part C. Okay, Dexter bought a car, price 7, ini value dia. Okay, 5% down payment, price of the car. Bank has approved the loan interest 4.5% per year, 7 years. Calculate total loan needed to be paid by Dexter. Okay, kita nak calculate total loan. Okay. So 5% of down payment, you calculate dulu. So you calculate dulu down payment berapa. Down payment equals to 5/100 from the value there, value of the car. So you will get is RM 3925. Okay, 3,925. Okay, that one is the down payment. Okay, now the total loan. Is equals to 78,500 minus down payment. Okay, sebab ini dia dah bayar, jadi baki dia berapa yang dia kena pinjam lagi. So baki dia ialah 74,575. Okay, you tekan calculator dulu untuk check. Okay, now interest based on the loan. Interest based on the loan. So interest berapa? Ini gunakan formula simple interest. So interest equals to how many? 4.5%. 4.5% per year. Gunakan formula ialah I equals to PRT. Okay. So formula dia samalah kalau saya calculate macam ni. So PRT kita ambil 74,575 P dia. R ialah rate 4.5/100. T dia ialah 7 years. Okay. So kita calculate dapat 23,491.13. So ini interest dia. So what is the total repayment? So total yang dia kena bayar balik, total repayment yang dia perlu bayar, jumlah yang dia pinjam kena plus dengan interest. So 74,575 plus 23,491.13. So the total repayment is equals to 98,066 ringgit and 13 sen. Okay. So ini. Kalau dia panggil you calculate loan, installment. Installment means you ambil jumlah ini divide by how many months in 7 years. So 7 times 12. Okay. So you will get the installment per month. Okay. Number 28. Scale drawing. Actual height given. Actual height 42. Find the scale used to draw the coffee table. So the actual height is the drawing is 42 cm. Actual height, sorry, this is not drawing, it's object. This is drawing. Okay. So how to calculate the scale? Remember scale. Scale is equals to length of drawing divided by length of object. The corresponding yang sepadan. Okay. So height. So scale dia ialah drawing is 72. And remember, scale always state in 1 to n. So this one must be 1. So what we do, we divide by 7. At the tempat, so divide by 7. So we get is 1/6. So the scale is 1 to 6. Okay, so you can see here the actual one is bigger. Okay, the drawing is smaller because n is more than 1. Okay. Okay, number part B. Ni. The line graph shows mass of tomatoes in 1,000 tons produced by a farm from year 2014 to year 2019. Okay. What can be said about mass of tomato produced in 2015 and 19? Okay, 15 is here. 15 and 19. So sini berapa bacaan dia? Is 2.5 thousand tons. So dia sama. So what can be said about that 2 years? So we can say the mass of tomatoes in year 2015 and 2019 are same. Okay, sama. Okay, boleh tulis ni, saya tak tempat ni, boleh tulis dengan elok lah. Okay, state the inference that can be made. Normally inference here is based on data, okay, ataupun charts ataupun graph. Sini ada dia bagi dalam bentuk graph. Jadi kita buat inference based on the graph here. So what is your inference? Okay, oh sorry, ada miss satu. Okay, part 2 dulu. Calculate mean mass of tomato produced in 6 years. So you kena cari satu-satu. 2014, okay, how much? 2015 berapa, 16, and then you total semua. So you dapat jawapan. Okay, ini answer tulis di sini. Ada space. The mass of tomatoes are same in both year 2014 and 2019. Okay, tulislah ayat penuh. Okay, part 2. Calculate mean. So 2014 ialah 1.5, meaning 1,000 tons. So kita ambil ialah 1,500 tons plus, okay, 3,000, okay, plus 5,000 plus 3,500 plus 2,500. Ni semua you totalkan. Okay, and then you divide by 6. Okay, so you get the mean. Mean is average. So you get 18,000 divided by 6. So you will get 3,000 tons. Okay, 3,000 tons or 3 lah. Maksudnya average kat sini 3. Okay. Okay, part 3. Okay, state the inference that can be made. So we can say the mass of tomato decreases every year after year 2017. Okay. So you can see the tomato increases from year 2014 to 2017, but decreases after 2017. Okay. So you can write down the answer. The mass of tomato increases from 2014 to 2017 and decreases after 2017. Okay, so itu ialah inference, means you describe graph tu balik ya, describe graph tu semula. Okay, ini kalau tak nampak ini ya. Okay, the mass of tomatoes increase from 2014 to 2017 and decreases after 2017. Okay, part C. Okay, C, a bag contains 30 marble. 2 or 5 of the marble are blue and the rest are yellow. State probability of choosing the yellow marble. Okay, so we have two over 5 is blue and the rest are yellow. Okay, so you can calculate the probability is 1 minus 2 over 5, 3 over 5. Okay, so this is for the blue one. So 1 minus the blue one, meaning the probability is for the yellow one. Okay, so this one is for yellow. And then part 2, another 6 yellow marble are put into the bag. Okay, if a marble is chosen at random from the bag, find probability that a blue marble is chosen. We add in the yellow one, but the total of blue still the same. Okay, so what we do, we calculate again the number of blue marble. Okay, number of blue marble equals to what? Okay, this one is for yellow. 2 over 5 is blue. So 2 over 5 times 30. Because initially, before add in the yellow, so it's 30 total. 30 atas tu ada 30. Okay, so you dapat ialah 12. Okay, now when you add in the yellow, so the total marble inside will become 30 plus 6, 36. So the probability of getting the blue marble is equals to 12 divided by the new total, 30 plus 6. So 12 divided by 36. Okay, so you get is 1 over 3. Okay. Okay, number 29. Okay, I try to finish this one. Number 39. 29. Okay, simplify. Okay, P negative 6 plus 2. Okay, you all gunakan law of indices. AM times AN equals to AM plus N. The power you plus. Okay, plus. So you get the answer here is P to the power negative 4. Okay, and then here Q4. Okay, divide by Q negative 5, actually is Q4 minus negative 5. Okay, so you get is Q over Q to the power 9. Okay, and then this one, you open the bracket, so it's X 9 times 1 over 3. Here 9 and 3 is a 3. Y 6 times 3, 2. Okay, so you get X3, Y2. Okay, get X3, Y2. Try first before you get, don't just copy. You must try first, then only you can understand. Okay, part B. You can pause the video before the next question. Okay, okay, part B. 3x divided by 27. Sorry, 27, x plus y equals to 9. Express x in terms y. So index, this one base 3, so we can change all to base 3. 3x divided by is 3 power 3. X plus y equals to 3 power 2. Okay, so here is divide. So it becomes 3x minus 3x plus y equals 3 power 2. So now we have one single index here, same base, meaning the power are same. Okay, kalau you dah jadikan dia satu index single, meaning the power here must be the same. Power dia sama. Okay, so you dapat x minus 3x plus y equals to 2. Okay, so you boleh simplify x minus 3x minus 3y equals to 2. So meaning negative 2x minus 3y equals to 2. So you will get 2x is 2 minus 3y. Then x equals to 2 minus 3y divided by 2. Okay. Sorry, ada negative sini ya, sebab you bring 2 to this side. So ini jawapan. So you will get is boleh nak ringkaskan lagi pun boleh, is negative 3 over 2y minus 1. Okay. So ini jawapan. So x equals negative over 2y minus 1. Okay. Okay, part C then. Okay, state the domain. Okay, domain. Write down the answer here. Domain. Domain and codomain. You must know which one. Okay. So this one is domain. This one is codomain. So you list down all the element inside. So negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, 3, 4. Okay. So itu ialah dia punya domain. Okay. And then codomain, this one, you just list down. So you have negative 64, negative 27, negative 8, 27, 64. Okay, part 3. Okay, represent the relation by using ordered pair. Okay, so ordered pair means negative 4 to negative 64. So you boleh tulis macam ni. In pair, put bracket, negative 4, negative 64. Okay, and then sorry. Okay, and then next pair, negative 3, negative 27, like xy macam square, macam xy. Negative 2, negative 8, 3, 27, 4, 64. So ini ialah relation by using ordered pair. Okay. Okay, number 30. Solve this one. So this one will become x plus 4 equals to 6 times 3, 18. So x equals to 18 minus 4. So we get 14. Okay, so get the answer. X equals to 14. Okay, part 2, it is given that x minus xy equal 12 and x minus x equals to 2y. Find value of y. So x minus 8y equals to 12. This one you can put as 1. X equals to y. This one is 2. Okay, so what you do, substitute 2 into y. 2 into 1. Okay, so meaning x here, substitute with 2y. So we get 2y minus 8y equals to 12. So here we get negative 6y is 12. Thus we get y equals to negative 2. Find the value of y only. So 2 marks. B. Okay, table shows number of durian in basket A, B, C. Okay, in the answer space, draw a pie chart to represent information in table 2. So if you want to draw pie chart, you must know the angle of the sector. For each of angle, find the angle of sector first. Okay, you can draw one column here. So the total you calculate from here is equals to 180. So 180 is the total. So the total angle is 360. So we can calculate by using fraction. Is 45 over 180 times 360. Okay, so we get is 90. So we do the same thing. 60 divided by 180 times 360. Okay, so we get what? Okay, we get 120. Okay, and then 75 divided by 180 times 360. Or you just take 360 minus 90 minus 120. So we get is 150. So for A is given as 90. This one 90 degrees. Okay. So now use a protractor. Measure 120. Okay. 120 here you measure. Okay, 120. So this one will be B. And then you measure here 150 is C. Okay. So means you get. So you calculate the angle first for the pie chart. Part C. Diagram 23 shows circle with center O. Diameter of the circle is 14 cm. Ratio of angle of minor sector to major sector is 1 over 8. 1 to 8. Okay. So find the area in cm squared of major sector. So here is 1, here is 8, means the total here is 9. Okay, 9 segment or 9 parts. So for 9 parts equals to 9 parts is 360. 9 part is 360 Ini 1, ini 8. Okay, so total ialah 9. 9 part ialah 360. So 1 part equals to what? You calculate lah. 1 part equals to 1 over 9 times 360. So you get is 40. The meaning angle here is 40. Okay. So area or major sector. So for the 8 part, 8 parts equals to 8 times 40. 320. Ataupun you ambil 360 minus 40. Sini dapat 40. Okay. So the area for the circle is pi r squared. So if 8 parts, 8 parts a major sector. So 320 divided by 360 times pi times r squared. Okay, this is for one complete circle. So 320 over 360 times 22 over 7. The radius equals to diameter is 14. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 7 squared. Okay. So you solve this one, you will get the answer is 1368 over 9 cm squared. Okay, you get the answer that. Okay, ini kena tekan calculator. So I want to save time, so I make it short. Okay. For number 31, an amusement park sells two types of tickets. Tickets for children and adult cost respectively. Ini dia bagi. Okay, ini children, ini adult. Okay, on a certain day, 265 people entered the park. The total admission fee is this one. Was collected. How many children and adult entered the park on that day? Okay. So we need to create equation for this statement. So we can let x is number of children, y, x is for the children, and y is for the adults. Okay, so we can create two equation actually. So the total of children and adults for that day, x plus y is equals to 265. So we get the first one. And then information also given about the total money, okay, that collected, 1330. So there are x number of children, y number of adult. For children is RM3.50, for adult is 7. So we get here is 3.5x plus 7y equals to 1330. So we have second one. So this one will become simultaneous equation. So we can use a method of elimination, for example. Let's eliminate y first. So what we do, we take equation 1 times 7. So equation 1 times 7, so we get is 7x plus 7y equals to 265 times 7. 265 times 7, we get 1855. So we have the new equation. Okay. So this one is no longer used. Ini tak ada lagi. So dah convert. Okay, now 2 and 3, we want to eliminate y. So we get 2 minus 3. Ataupun 3 minus 2 lah, ambil yang besar, senang sikit. Tak ada negatif. Okay. Kita ambil 3 minus 2 lah. 3 minus 2. Okay, so 7x minus 3.5x. So we get 3.5x. 7y minus 7y, 0. 1855 minus 1855 minus 1330. So we get 3.5x equals to 525. Thus we get x equals to 5 to 5 divide 3.5, you get 150. So once you get 150, then you can find y from 1 tadi. Thus y equals to 265 minus 150. So we get is 115. Thus the answer is x 150, y is 115. Means there are 150 children and 115 adults. Okay. Okay, B. Okay, diagram, answer space below diameter of circle. Construct a circle based on the diameter and label the center of the circle. So you need to use a ruler and compass to draw. So this one you can measure and then find the midpoint. So how to use the compass and find the midpoint? If you still remember, there's a method for you all to draw. Put the compass here. Okay, and then you can, let's say you choose 3 cm, so make an arc here, and here also 3 cm. So I'll show you how again. You must use compass. Okay, so let's say we use this point first. Okay, we want to find the midpoint. Okay, so here let's say you choose 3 cm. So the compass 3 cm, you make a small arc here, and then to this point, same thing, another 3 cm, and then go to the bottom part here. This is also 3 cm, make one small arc, and then here also make another one small arc, and then you can draw a straight line. So when you draw a straight line, this one is the midpoint. And then for this one, this is the radius, and then use compass. By using this radius, then you draw a complete circle. Okay, so I don't have the compass here, so you just draw using compass and not freehand. Okay, so you get a complete circle. Okay, okay, so you should get something like this, the circle here should get like this. Okay. Mark the center, center O. Okay, now we go to the last question, part C. Okay, part C. Okay, diagram 25 shows the parallelogram on Cartesian plane. Okay, okay, state the coordinates P. Okay, so we want to find coordinate P. So the length should be the same here and this one, because this one is parallelogram. Okay, so here negative 1 and 6, the distance is what? 7 for the horizontal distance. Okay, so for the vertical one, this one going up here is also 1 to 8 is also 7 here. Okay, so here is 8, so meaning for P, P, the y coordinate is 8. The y value is 8 already, because this one is one horizontal line and this value is 8. For this one, okay, here is 6 minus negative 1. Okay, and then the distance here is 7, so 2 minus 7, so this value should be 2 minus 7, so you get negative 5. Okay, because this one should be same length, so the coordinate for P is negative 5, 8. Okay, calculate the area of parallelogram. So the area is 7 times 7. Okay, so you will get is 49 unit, because no given DCM or what. So you have here length here multiply height here. This one, height 7. Okay, so 7 times 7 you get 49. Okay, that's all. So I hope you can try to complete section B and section C. Once you complete, you can snap a picture and send it in the Google Classroom. So I take that as the one that present for my class. Those who didn't submit the work is considered absent. So that's all. So I hope you can try your best to complete the paper. Okay, if any question arise, you can just contact by leaving comment in Google Classroom, or you can use WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, so that's all. Bye.